Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take Lasso Screenshot on your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here, I would like to take a screenshot from this page. And to take Lasso Screenshot, go to notification area and click on Capture and click on funny screenshot and click on lasso screenshot. So using lasso screenshot you can draw any enclosed shape to start screen capturing. So irregular shape and enclosed shape area will be the screenshot here. So I start from here and this is the screenshot area and click on save. Click on the captured image and click on edit if you want to edit. After editing, click on the tick mark and click on save finally. And to locate the screenshot, go to files on your phone and click on internal storage, click on DCIM folder, click on screenshots folder, and at last you will find the latest screenshot. Click here and yes, this is Lasso screenshots that I took using Lasso option in my phone Vivo V21e 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.